It's just going to be showing the progress I have made so far on our official app. It's pretty much almost done, the layout, the navigation and all that stuff. I was using the compiler Visual Studio that the industry use for app development. I use 3 different programming languages including CSS, JavaScript and HTML. Normally web-based languages and object orientation. This is just the script. Let's compile it. So this is the app launcher. It's only compatible on Windows 8 or Windows 8 RT operating systems, as it was developed in a Windows 8 compiler. I could integrate over iOS, but that would cost money just to get a license. So obviously that wouldn't be too efficient. So in case whoever is examining can't view this due to not having a Windows device, this video would basically give the run through of the layout and how it's going to operate. So obviously the first page we kind of had a quite interactive start. So it said it asks the user's name. So if I put my own name and say hello, I can actually use touchscreen as well. So as you see, it leaves that message. You can rate the greeting, and that will go into our own database where it gives feedback on how the user actually found that greeting. Quite pointless, but it was something that we made use of. This is a little notice, obviously highlighting what I said earlier about the navigation, the compatibility, sorry. And we also have navigation commands there. So if I was to swipe down, you get a navigation bar. Right click, it closes and open, or you can actually use this hyperlink to go to the next page. Press back to go back. So let's use this navigation bar. So here we are. We've got a just a quick outline of just describing what it is. So if you want to read that, just obviously pause the video and go ahead. Then you've got the production, what hasn't been filled in yet, so that's just going to have links. I'm not too sure if we can include video links due to the compiler not being able to read like flash videos. It's only HTML5, and that's a plugin I'm going to have to add in, and that might cause a bit of chaos in putting it through. And then we have the team biography. That's going to include like photos, hopefully, if that again can be put in. At the moment I'm having issues with a file directory for it to be read, so instead nothing's appearing. It will also give brief details of who we are, what we want to do, and what media is actually doing for us skill wise in the long run of our education and our own personal lives, as well as career based aspects. Sorry. And to close the app, you just drag it down, and yeah, it takes you back to the Windows 8 home screen. As you can see, got the script here. I've got all the different classes, so this is just different. These are all the different code, brings up all the different programming or scripts for what does what. So if I've done the home CSS, that's just the layout, just basically just setting the margin and the whole layout of what's going where and the whole size. This is what controls the text and functionalities like navigation and stuff like that. So stuff like here, page. What this script is basically saying is it's a hyperlink to page 2 from page 1. So from the home button, as soon as you press the page 2, it will take you to page 2, and then the page 2 HTML, and the HTML is the interface that we use. Let's get the default script is basically the script that as soon as you open it comes default anyway. So it's just the actual. It's like an automatic layout already made, preset made, what is adjusted in the customized CSS pages. But yeah, obviously for improvements we obviously need to add photos, probably colour differences because it's a bit dull. And we could probably do that now actually. So if we change it to dark, we compiled it again, as you'll see, it's all gone black, so the it's just a different colour, but that won't be the same for the other pages because you'll have to do that individually. But we can experiment with what colours does what, and as you can see, when you navigate back, it goes white. So that's already a fault that's come up. So if I wanted to change the colour, I'd have to ensure it's a consistent background colour and what else. So yeah, hopefully if this gets completed successfully, we can launch it on the App Store, and hopefully just hope the person who's going to be having to examine this can see it, can view it and use it with their own device, if it will requiring obviously compatibility, so Windows 8 device. Anyway, thank you.